was the vision of Pakistan, a land where justice, equity, and tolerance will shine. But let us remember, independence is not just about raising flags, wearing green clothes, and singing songs for one day. True independence means fulfilling the responsibility that comes with it. The struggle did not end in 1947. It only changed from now. The fight is against illiteracy, poverty, corruption, injustice, and disunity. Qaida Muhammad Ali Jinnah golden words still guide us. Faith, unity, discipline. If we hold on to these principles, no enemy can defeat us. But if we forget them, we will betray the very sacrifices they gave us then. So on this 14th August, I ask you all to make a promise that we will respect and protect our country. Promise that we will not divide ourselves by culture, language, or politics. Because we are all one nation, one Pakistan. And finally, let us remember the word of Allama Iqbal which reminds us of our true potential. खुदी को